you guys ever wondered how animals stay warm in places like the North or South Pole? They must be very, very cold. I wonder if we could do some science to work out how they actually stay warm. This is what we'll need for our experiment. What do you mean we can't use a live polar bear? Okay, fine. We are going to measure no fur, no insulation, oil insulation. And how many polar bears did we... No, this is fake fur here, wrapped around here. And 1, 2, 3 things to measure. Yes, they're called, thermometers. That's all you need. And boiling water.
What do you reckon then, guys? What's the predictions? What's going to go cold first?
That's definitely going to go cold. I think...
So we reckon out of no insulation, foil and fur, what's going to go cold first?
That, which has nothing
And what's going to be last?
That one.
Why?
Because it's fur and it's thick.
And what does that do?
It makes it feel warmer and warmer and warmer and warmer and warmer.
What, and warmer?
Yeah, super warm. Hot stuff, not the...
To make this a fair test, we're going to pour in 100 millilitres each. That's way over.
And 5.
So 100 millilitres each in each of these. The water is in all of them. Start the stopwatch. So we are on 1 minute, or not even a minute. No insulation is on 73. Foil is on 78. Fur is on 79.
Pretty hot.
What's happening, Bales?
No insulation is dropping.
No insulation's dropping. We're on 2 minutes. It's only on 71.3. Then the foil one is 75, and then the foil is 78.
You got to do that.
8 minutes, 59.5. Foil, 62.8.
This is my Chinese symbol.
Thrilling. 8 minutes, 64.2. No insulation is dropping. 10 minutes is on 56.1. Foil is 10 minutes, is 58.8. But hanging on in there on 10 minutes is fur is on 61.1 degrees Celsius. And here we go. With no insulation on 12 minutes, it is 53.6 Celsius. On foil, it is 12 minutes, 55.8. And still in the lead, it's fur with 57.9. Here we are with the last scores. No insulation ends on 48.3. So you can see some dramatic drops there from 75 all the way down to 48. Then we've got for foil, it started on 81 and it's dropped down to 50.2. And the winner on 16 minutes was fur, retained a heat of 53.4, started on 82. So, what does it tell us? Which is the best insulator, do you reckon?
It's that one.
The fur!
So, what have we learned? Fur traps dead air next to the animal's body and creates a blanket of insulation. More fur equals more insulation, and polar bears have very thick fur. The air trapped within the hair provides additional insulation on top of the air that's already between the hairs. More trapped air means greater warmth, just like a thick jacket or sleeping bag. Science.